Looking to make sure all your phone contacts show up in Telegram seamlessly. Today, I'm going to walk you through the exact steps to sync your contacts on Telegram so you can start chatting and connecting with everyone you know right inside the app. Whether you're new to Telegram or just want to double-check your settings, by the end of this video, you'll have your contact list synced and ready for easy messaging. Let's get started. Alright, the first thing you'll need to do is open up your Telegram app, and in the top left corner, you'll see what's known as the hamburger icon. It looks like 3 horizontal lines stacked on top of each other. Go ahead and give that a tap. This is where Telegram tucks away its main menu. If you're new to Telegram or just haven't explored these settings before, don't worry. The hamburger icon is your gateway to everything from your profile, your folders, to, you guessed it, your settings. Next up, once that menu slides out, you'll want to tap on Settings. You'll usually find this toward the bottom of the menu, marked with a familiar gear icon. This takes you to the main control center for your Telegram experience. Think of it like the cockpit where you decide what information Telegram can access, how you want to be notified, and yes, how it handles your contacts. Now, within the settings screen, look for Privacy and Security. This section is super important because it lets you control not only who can see your info, but also which parts of your phone Telegram can interact with. Tap Privacy and Security. You might need to scroll down just a little, but it's usually easy to find. I always recommend checking this area out from time to time just to be sure you're comfortable with your privacy settings. From here, find and select Contacts. This is where the magic happens. The Contacts section manages how Telegram syncs and handles your address book. If you haven't visited this screen before, you might see a few options, but what we want to focus on is the Sync toggle. Now look for Sync Contacts. There should be a little switch or toggle right next to it. If it's gray, that means syncing is turned off and none of your phone's contacts will automatically appear in Telegram. If you want the app to pull in your phone's contact list, just tap that toggle and set it to the on position. It'll usually turn blue or another color to let you know it's active. When you turn the sync on, Telegram will start scanning the contacts on your device and match them up with users who are already on Telegram. This part might take a few moments, especially if you have a lot of contacts stored, so don't worry if it doesn't happen instantly. If you ever add new contacts to your phone later, Telegram can automatically keep your list up to date as long as that sync toggle stays on. And that's it. You're all set, your contacts are now synced, and you can start messaging friends, family, or anyone who's already using Telegram. If you ever want to turn off syncing, just go back to that same toggle and switch it off. I hope this tutorial made things simpler and clearer for you. If you found it helpful, please hit that like button, and if you have any questions or need more guidance, drop a comment below. I'll be happy to help out. Don't forget to subscribe for more straightforward tech tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching and happy messaging on Telegram.